Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Raydium swap on Solana DEX. So of course you're going to go to the Raydium.io website and you're going to have exactly what you're seeing on the screen, and then you're going to want to connect your wallet. We're going to be using our Solana wallet, so we're going to click on Connect Wallet. We have 4 options here and there are other options to consider. You have Trust Wallet, you have OPX Wallet and things like that, but we're going to use Solflare and we're going to connect our wallet already. And if you have a wallet already, you're just going to say I already have a wallet. If you don't have a Solana wallet, you're going to say I need a wallet, and then you're going to go through the process. So now I already have a wallet. I'm going to go through the process of logging in. And here, of course, I have my recovery phrase and I'm going to put it. And now we get to click on connect. And now you can see that the Solflare wallet is connected. You can see the address here. And now that we have our Solana wallet connected to Raydium, all we need to do is to explore the options that we have. Of course, you want to make sure that you have some coins on Solana in the Solflare wallet on your mobile device or on your Solflare wallet. And then you could come over here. If you want to transfer some of your Solana to another coin, you could come over here. And there are many options for us to go for. And say we want to go with block. We could go ahead and select block. And we could put the amount in Solana. If we want to get maybe 25% of our Solana, we could go ahead and type that. And then you can see that this is a valid transaction so far. And now you could see 0.25 of Solana gives you 482.24 of block. And you can see the price impact, the minimum received, and things like that. And then you also see that you have, of course, in this account, we have insufficient Solana balance. Now, of course, if you're interested in doing these transactions, you, of course, have to credit your Solana wallet in order to have sufficient balance to go ahead with these types of transactions here on Raydium or on any wallet for that matter. As you can see, we've just shown you how to use Raydium swap using your Solana wallet, and you can actually get any token or any coin you'd like just by clicking down here and selecting any other coin you'd like to do your transaction with. And after selecting it, you could go ahead and complete your transaction. So this is how to use Raydium for swapping or purchases of crypto tokens or coins.